Iawo, Cadochi Kock, Deporte.
Bernard Hopkins sabi sa Mayweather Jr. tabay yung guerra difícil din promes 6 round contra Pacquiao. Después de say Mayweather tabay ting mais energia e miopia e inteligência. Kuesay después de 6 round e por gana e pelea pa decisão. Hopkins sabi sa tambe ko tabay ta pelea hopi duro ku no mester ting revancha. Neronya bisa, no mester ting revancha. Bang bringa pa gana. E beach tennis virando mais popular dia para dia e for chiquito, o charanta como se toma les. Por chiquito, mucha gente llega para seguir les de beach tennis cerca Marica Butts, que está dedicado a hopi na costa básico, e assim hopi juega que é mucho mais chiquito.
We start like around 4 years. For every kid is of course different, but we start really with basic, like throwing, catching, little games. So yeah, it will be like really basic, 4 or 5 years old. Yeah.
Trying to get a coordination first.
Exactly. And then we start to do games with the rackets, and from there on we grow. We have like a program that they have 3 different diplomas: Diploma 1, 2, and 3. In Diploma 1, they start with basic, like throwing, catching. If they can do that, they go to Diploma 2, and they start to play with the racket. And so they move on till the teenager program.
The reaction of these kids, smaller from 4 years, how it is going around?
Yeah, it's going really good. You see really the improvement when they are coming 1 or 2 times a week. You see in 1 month really the improvement. Like today, I showed the parents how they went forward like in only 1 month.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the parents are happy with them, though?
Yes, of course.
And the interest from the kids self to how you motivating them to stay in the beach tennis?
Yeah, but little things like the diploma, I think it's a really motivation for the kids. If they can, in the end, in a couple of months, they have a diploma, they grow to the next court. Like this kind of thing, you motivate the kids really.
The biggest one, what's the years?
We have the program is like from 4 till 18 years old. It's really all the kids.
The biggest kids are ready to play the game, hitting the ball.
Yes. Actually, every Thursday they play a league. They start already from 7 years old, I think, because we have like a little smaller court, so they can play already. 7 years old.
And how you see the games from the kids self?
Sorry?
How you see the games?
Really nice. I love to see them grow, and that's the future.
So you see the interest for beach tennis in kids. It's not on the adults alone, but in the kids, it's interesting.
Yeah, of course. This is our future. I mean, we are a little bit old already, so in a couple of years we see the kids in the highest level in Aruba, and that's why we do it.